How to replace a human touch Novo X Backrest Actuator. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, flat head screwdriver, 6mm Allen wrench, 13mm open wrench, wire cutter, and a zip tie. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Unzip the foot and calf massager upholstered panel from the front of the backrest pad. On each side of the foot and calf massager, remove the black plastic spacer if there is one and discard it. Remove the retaining clip by prying outward on the tongue, then pulling upward. Slide the massager to the left off the mounting post, to the right off the other mounting post, then rest it on the floor. Disconnect the air hose and connector. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 5 screws that secure the lower front plastic cover, then remove the cover. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 7 screws that secure the upper front plastic cover, then remove the cover. Place a blanket on the floor next to the right-hand side of the chair. Grasping the top of the left-hand door, push the left-hand side of the chair off the floor, then gently lower it onto the blanket. Cut the zip tie that secures the actuator cables to the chair frame. Use a flathead screwdriver to pry the junction box cover off the base, then remove the cover. Disconnect the blue connectors. Using a 6mm Allen wrench and a 13mm open wrench, remove the nut and bolt that secure the rear of the actuator to the chair. Remove the nut and bolt that secure the front of the actuator to the chair. Remove the actuator from the mounting points, making sure the inserts do not fall out of the actuator mounting points at either end and into the chair frame. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screw that secures the ground wire to the actuator, then remove the actuator from the chair. Now, let's replace it. Before installing the new actuator, first remove the screw that secures the ground wire to the actuator, then remove and discard the ground wire. Thread the ground wire screw through the ground wire loop from the chair, then secure the screw to the actuator. Place the actuator into position, aligning the front mounting points, with the motor facing downward. Remove the twist tie that secures the inserts, replace the front bolt from the bottom, then replace and hand tighten the nut. Use the Allen wrench and open wrench to finish securing the nut. Slide the chair frame to align the rear mounting points. Remove the twist tie that secures the insert, replace the rear bolt from the top, then replace and hand tighten the nut. Use the Allen wrench and open wrench to finish securing the nut. Connect the blue connectors. Organize the cables so they are all seated in the notches on the base of the junction box. Snap the junction box cover onto the base, making sure no cables are pinched on either side. Gather all of the cables coming from the junction box, then secure them to the chair frame using a new zip tie. Cut the excess zip tie. Grasping the upper backrest and upper left-hand door, gently return the chair to the upright position. Place the upper front plastic cover into position, then replace and partially tighten the 7 screws to hold it in place. Finish tightening the screws to secure the cover. Place the lower front plastic cover into position, then replace and partially tighten the 5 screws to hold it in place. Finish tightening the screws to secure the cover. Reconnect the foot and calf massager connector and air hose. Make sure the air hose is installed all the way onto the fitting. Slide the left-hand mounting bracket onto the mounting post, then replace the clip to secure it. Make sure the tongue of the clip is facing the inside of the chair. Slide the right-hand mounting bracket onto the mounting post, then replace the clip to secure it. Make sure the tongue of the clip is facing the inside of the chair. Zip the foot and calf massager upholstered panel to the backrest pad. Plug in the chair, then power it on. Power on the remote. Press the power button again, then select power off to restore the chair. The chair is restored when the door touch panel lights turn from red to blue and the remote automatically powers off.